Hello, my name is Lee and I'm here at the Health 2.0 conference. Would you kindly introduce yourself and tell us more about your organization and what you do?
Yeah, surely. Hello, everyone. My name is Sahana Sharan, and I am the founder and CEO for a new consulting and advisory service that I started called Elate Health Partners. And I consult and advise companies that want to play in the value based care in healthcare.
Wonderful. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much for being here. You are a Health 2.0 conference honoree. How does it feel to receive such a prestigious award?
It is a great recognition, and I'm heartened to receive the award. And it's really an honor, like you mentioned, and it's heartening. And the one thing that really stood out in this conference is the diversity of people that are represented, who we serve in healthcare. And it's really wonderful to see the representation from an award standpoint, too.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And what advice would you give to someone wanting to follow in your footsteps of your field?
You know, Lee, when I look back, I think opportunities came up. And when they came up, I had my eyes open and jumped at them. And if there was something that I didn't know, I was willing to learn and grow and really pay attention to what was happening in healthcare as a whole in the landscape. And really being open to people and learning from each other. And it didn't matter where the learning came from. It was important that I learned, and that's what I would say. Stay open, be curious, and keep a tab on what's happening in the landscape overall.
Wonderful advice. Thank you. And how has your learning and networking experience been so far at this conference?
It's been great. Just the energy and the enthusiasm of all the different people here and my fellow co-awardees who are also part of the conference here. And it's really wonderful to mingle and have conversations with people in the industry. So it's been really great so far.
Great. And could you tell us what led you to winning this award at this point? What brought you on this journey?
You know, in all my experiences, I really did what was in front of me and did it to the best of my abilities. And where I did not have answers, I leaned on the team. I leaned on the guidance from my leaders that I worked with, and really supportive leadership along the way that I had that continued to encourage me, and the teamwork, which really made the results possible of what we accomplished. So really, as they say, I stand on the shoulders of the giants that came before me. That is really true. I want to acknowledge all the experiences that I've had, learnings that I've had with the people that I've crossed paths with.
Wonderful. And that's great that you acknowledge that.
Yeah.
And how do you think this industry is transforming lives at a global scale?
Value-based healthcare is something that is innate in us as humans, where we seek value for every dollar that we spend, and especially true in the US healthcare system, where the spending is so high, and it's a significant part of our GDP, and it's so pertinent that we want to get more value for every dollar that's being spent in healthcare for the patients, that they get good outcome and good quality of care. So it's very relevant, and the timing is ripe for that. Just the level of spending that's been going on, and I think that model can be replicated across the globe to ensure that patients can get high value care, high quality and high outcome care for every dollar or every penny that's spent in healthcare.
Yeah, and as a patient, that is refreshing to hear.
Yeah.
So thank you for that. And how has the conference been for you so far? You've talked about networking and diversity, and how has this been? Is this your first or?
Yeah, this is my first time at Health 2.0, and I want to say this might also be my second conference post-pandemic. And I think it feels good to be part of post-pandemic norm, to have as many people and mingle with people in person. So I love the energy. It's been exciting to be part of Health 2.0 conference.
Wonderful. Now, can you tell us where people can collaborate with you and reach out? How can we find you online? Do share your contact information.
Absolutely. I have presence on LinkedIn. I also have a website, elatehealthpartners.com, if folks want to reach out, or send me a note or a message on LinkedIn. They can reach out either way.
Wonderful. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me today. It's been an absolute pleasure. Congratulations on your award. And we hope you enjoy the rest of the conference and enjoy Vegas.
Well, thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Lee. It's been a pleasure. Yeah.